Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure market news alerts with Vanguard detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring market news alerts with Vanguard, first, log into your Vanguard account. Navigate to the home page after logging in. Look for the Research tab at the top of the page. Click on the Research tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Market News. You will be directed to the Market News section. Here, scroll to find the Alerts option. Click on the Alerts link to proceed. Next, you will see options for setting up your alerts. Choose the type of market news alerts you want to receive. Options may include alerts for specific stocks, market trends, or economic news. After selecting your preferred alert type, look for the Create Alert button. Click on Create Alert to open the alert configuration window. In the configuration window, enter any specific criteria for your alerts. This may involve choosing keywords, stock symbols, or market indices. Next, select how you want to receive the alerts. Options typically include email notifications or app alerts. Once your preferences are set, review the information you've entered. Ensure that all details are correct to receive accurate alerts. When satisfied, click the Save or Submit button to create your alert. You should receive a confirmation that your alerts have been set up successfully. Check your email or app settings to ensure alerts are enabled. Repeat this process for any additional alerts you wish to configure. Now you are ready to stay informed about market news through Vanguard alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.